Did you know a single argument about a pile of dung started the deadliest war Europe had ever seen? In 1618, a group of Protestant nobles in Prague had a problem with 3 Catholic royal officials, so they threw them out of a castle window, 70 feet down. All 3 men survived. Catholics called it a miracle from God. Protestants said it wasn't God at all. They said the men landed in a heap of horse manure, and that was the only thing that saved them. That argument sounds almost funny, until you see what came next. Both sides used it as a rallying cry. Pamphlets spread across Europe. Old grudges boiled over. Alliances were called in. Armies mobilized. Within a year, the 30 Years' War had begun. By the time it ended in 1648, roughly 8 million people were dead. Entire regions of Germany were emptied. Villages burned. Populations collapsed. All of it traced back to 3 men, 1 window, and a furious debate over whether God or filth had broken their fall.